Hey everybody, it's Vince with Root Lawn Co. Hope your day's going awesome. Got a nice dreary Sunday morning. What better thing to do than review the Toro Flex Force 60-volt string trimmer. This is not cordless, not gas, but battery. This battery will have an indicator on it, shows you how much charge is on it. One runtime is around 2 hours. So if you have 2 hours of trimming or less, this is perfect. Side note, I'm not sponsored to say this, I'm not paid to say this. I recently did a review on a trimmer, hedge trimmer, and I compared it from the gas, the Echo, and the Toro 60-volt. So check that out if you're interested in more of these battery powered tools. I've really gained to like them, and I'd like to add some more to my arsenal. Thanks Toro, a friend of mine, to send me this to be able to review and use it in my own lawn and see what I think of it. Getting back to this, you don't need to worry about stringing your trimmer and having a headache for it. I'll show you how to do that. There's no canisters or anything. You simply just put the line through. If you want to replace the line, there's a tab here and there's a tab down here. You pop that out and you can pull out the small amount of strings. Speaking of strings, it's a 13-inch or a 15-inch. So there's two set screws here and here. Sorry that it's a little dirty. Two set screws, and this blade actually will flip. So you take that and that out, you flip it, and that's what cuts your string. So you can either have a smaller string or a shorter string, whatever your preference is. Next up, high or low speeds. You have a speed 1 and a speed 2. All right, speed 1 and speed 2. Again, there's no string on this. I'll get onto that shortly. Trigger here, that's your safety switch. You can't push that down without hitting this trigger. And your money, that's how you run it. So let's show you how to put some string on this. All right, so check this out. On the head, you have an arrow, and you can see another arrows right here. You'll simply turn this knob to match up with the arrow, and then you have a small line right here that says line. So if you look on your side, there's the hole that you would put that in. Take your string and you'll feed it through this way, and out it pops. You want to get this nice and even, like so, and then all you do is crank counterclockwise, and then there's your string. Now this is going to hit that and cut the string to a shorter length, so this will come around and hit. So this is what I'm saying, you can move this blade back and have a longer string. All right, it's a 13-inch or 15-inch. I did get a comment a couple weeks back on asking me how to use a trimmer. So there's different techniques. Some people will hold it more like this and walk along the edge. If you're just doing a broad area, it's best just to have it like that and just keep it nice and low and work it that way. So there you have it. Simple to string. It's plug and play. It's quiet. You got two speeds. These run anywhere from, I think, $179, a little over $200. So it is going to be cheaper than your gas powered. Well, depending on which gas powered you get. But if you get like an Echo or a Steel, a lot of those are going to be more expensive, and you have carbs to clean and all that good stuff. So around the house, anything under 2 hours for one battery. I will mention this is also only 12 pounds, super lightweight. Not trying to sell you this, just trying to review this product and help you make a decision whether you want to go battery or not. I really like this. One thing I'd like to see is that Toro just came out with the multi-attachment. So it will cut off down here, and you can put on you know, rotary scissors or your edgers, or it comes with hedge trimmers. So I'd love to get one of those. We'll see. If I do, I'll do a review on that and let you guys know what I think of it and how easy it is to assemble. So hope you found this beneficial. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.